How to fix error code 7002.1. For this first step, click Settings, click Windows Update, and make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending, having means you need to download it and install it and make your Windows up to date. And come to next step, click Apps, click Install Apps, scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. If you're not having the updated version, means you need to go to the official website of Microsoft Visual C++, download and install it. After that, click the three dot icon, click Modify, click Repair, close. Again, click three dot icon, click Modify, and click Repair. You need to do it for both 64 and 86 bit. Once complete, after close it and come to next step. Search for Run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage, and scroll down and search for Rockstar game launcher. Click Launcher folder, and if you have any catches folder, means you need to delete it. After that, come to next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Rockstar Game Launcher, and make sure you should enable in both private and public. If you're not having, means you need to enable it. If the option is of not having, means you need to click Allow another app. Click Browse. For easy method, come outside, open file location of the Rockstar Game Launcher, copy the address, go back and paste the address in the browse section. You can easily get the application. After that, click the Rockstar Game Launcher and click Add. I already have, so I skip it. You need to add it and click OK in the bottom side. Close it and come to next step. Go to this PC, right click, click Properties, click Tools, click Check, and scan the drive. And wait for a couple of seconds. It will mentally scanning the C drive. If there is any issue to rectify it, you can go with this method or else go with next method. Successfully scanned. After that, close it and come to this method. Search for command prompt, click Run as administrative, and type the following text: sfc space slash scan now. Enter. This process will take some time, so be patient. Wait for a couple of seconds to completely verify. Once the verification is complete, after it will throw up the message. If there is any issue, it will rectify it. You have seen now there is no error. After that, exit it and restart your device. Thank you.